If Atma is not doer, then how does the theory of karma is applicable?
See, just I'll give simple example. This is gold and copper, mixture of two elements. Gold has nothing to do with whether this is bangle or earring or chain or chandanhar or this design is good or this design is bad. Gold has nothing to do. Even copper has also nothing to do. But when there is a mixture of two things and the illusion of some third metal is there, then the people are thinking this can be used like this and that and that. So you make thousands of different designs from this gold. But gold has nothing to do anything. Only illusion is that the gold is doing everything. Gold is bad. See, આપણે નથી કહેતા છાસ્યું સોનું છે કે છે. અરે, what is that? Gold is not impure. Always there is some pure form of gold, whether 1%, 2%, 10%, that is different. But the elemental form of gold is there. But only thing, the other third thing is in problem, not the original two elements. Here also, the two elements, Atma and Jad Tattva, combination of two. Jad Tattva is made up of all atoms. So there is a mixture of two elements, and when there is mixture of two elements, the third element out of this mixture has arisen. That is called ego. The problem is all with ego. See, the function of both elements are totally different. Properties, both of them different. So action is with Jad Tattva, not with Atma. Doership is with Jad Tattva, not with Atma. So all the time changes you are finding in the Jad Tattva, not in the Atma. But because of the ego, which is a mixture of, out of mixture, these two elements, the ego thinks that all actions are done by me. It is all wrong belief of ego. And property, function of soul is just his observer and perceiver, is knowing and seeing. So ego thinks, I am knowing, I am seeing. See, just belief is only wrong belief with ego. Otherwise the things are, every element is in its own state, in its property, own function. There is no change. But ego takes over everything in his hand, and everything says, I have done, I am looking, I am observing, I am watching, I am happy, I am unhappy. This is all with ego. And whole cycle of life because of this ego. So what, during this Jnana process, Jnana Vidhi process, what happens once you achieve this Jnana process? So this ego gets this awareness that, oh, I am not doer, I am not Jayantibai, I am not mind, speech, body, everything, but I am pure soul. I am soul, I am knower, I am perceiver, I am full of bliss. This awareness starts with this ego. So ego gets melt in soul. There is no separate entity of ego remains. See, only because of this wrong knowledge, ego is there. Ego thinks, I am Jayantibai, I am father of so-and-so, I am husband of so-and-so, I am doing this, I am doing that. This is all problem with ego. So you have to hit that ego which is doing all chaos. And that only can be done by one who knows all these things. How to make your ego to melt in Atma. How to get realization of your ego. That I am not Jayantibai, but I am Atma. This is all scientific process. And that can be achieved